Hey everyone, welcome back to SS Gaming Unity 3D. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Firebase push notifications in your Unity project. We'll use Firebase Cloud Messaging FCM to send notifications to Android devices. Make sure you watch till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Unity tutorials. First, we'll create a new project, give it a name, and then click on Create. Then, wait for Unity to finish creating the project. After creating the project, switch the platform to Android and set up your project settings. Click on Project Settings, then change the package name. This same name will be used in the Firebase project. Next, set the minimum API level to Android 7.0 API level 24. Switch the scripting backend to IL to CPP. And make sure ARM64 is checked under target architectures. That's all for the project settings. Now go ahead and save your changes. Now, create an empty game object. We'll attach our Firebase script to it. Next, create a new folder named Scripts, and inside it, create a script to initialize push notifications. Now, open your browser and search for Firebase push notification for Unity. Click on the first official Firebase website from the search results. Now you can see all the documentation about push notifications. Make sure to read it carefully. Alright, now the first step is to create a new Firebase project. Click on Go to Console, then click on Create a new project. Enter your project name and click on Next. Now that the project is created, we need to add a Unity app for Android. Enter your Unity project's package name and app name here, then click on Next. Then click Download the Google-Services.json file and click Next. Then click Download the Firebase SDK from here and click Next. Then click on Continue to Console and your app has been successfully added. Now go to Project Settings. You can also download the JSON file from here. We'll be using this file in our Unity project. Now, select the Messaging tab to create a campaign for push notifications. For now, all the Firebase project settings are complete. Now go back to your Unity project and add the Firebase Messaging SDK. Now that the Firebase SDK is successfully imported, you need to enable auto-resolution. Now, add your Google-services.json file into the Assets folder of your Unity project. All done. Now it's time to create the script to open it in any code editor of your choice. Now follow my steps to copy the code from the Firebase documentation and paste it into your script. Now everything is set, it's time to build the project and test it on an Android device. The build is created. Now send it to your mobile device and install it. Now, go back to your Firebase project and create a campaign for push notifications. Firebase has two types of notifications: in-app messages and notification messages. We select notification message. Now, enter the title, description, image link, and notification name. You can also see a preview on the left side. Okay, the campaign is ready, but you also need to get permission from the user to receive notifications. For now, we'll enable notifications manually. Okay, now go back to Firebase and publish your campaign. Now, wait for a while for the campaign to complete, and then check your device to see if the notification is received. Now you can see that the notifications are working on your mobile device and have been successfully received. I hope this code and the method for notifications are working for you. If you have any issues, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this tutorial helped you set up Firebase push notifications in Unity. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful, and make sure to subscribe to SS Gaming Unity 3D for more Unity tutorials. Also, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new content. See you in the next video.